RTÉjr is helping Mya Go to unpack her bag.
I love your pyjamas, Mya.
Thank you. I don't wear pyjamas. I wear a nightdress. This one was my mama's when she was little. Ooh, it's very pretty.
I wore it on my first sleepover when I was a girl.
Did you bring a suitcase with you in your first sleepover?
Yes, I did. In fact, it looked just like your suitcase, Mya. And I brought my favourite teddy bear, Flopsy.
I didn't bring Panda with me, but he'll be okay for just one night.
I'm sure he's a very brave panda. It's dinner time. Who's feeling hungry?
I am. Me too.
Mya Go is having dinner with the RTÉjr family, but something's a little bit different.
This is a big bowl just for me. That's the serving bowl, Mya. We all take a spoonful from each bowl. Oh, that's different to how my family do it. Our food is on one plate at the beginning of dinner.
Mya is enjoying sharing the food.
Oops, sorry.
No problem at all, Mya.
Thanks, Mama RTÉjr.
It can take a bit of getting used to when things are different.
Now that dinner is finished, Mya Go and the RTÉjr family are telling stories.
And with a whoosh, the hot air balloon lifted into the air, away from the crocodiles beneath.
Yay!
OK, time for bed, little ones.
Will we read a bedtime story?
That was the bedtime story, Mya?
Oh, in my house, we always read our stories in bed.
Oh, it's bedtime for everyone in the RTÉjr house. And Emily RTÉjr and Melissa RTÉjr are already fast asleep when Mama RTÉjr arrives to tuck them in.
Everything OK, Mya?
I wish I had my teddy panda. I mean, he's probably missing me very much.
I have an idea. Why don't we call Mum and Dad a go to see if Panda's OK? Hello.
Hi, Mama. I just wanted to make sure Panda isn't missing me too much. He might be very lonely on his own.
Hi, Mya. Oh, Panda is absolutely fine. Sammy is taking extra special care of him while you're on your sleepover.
Okay. Good night, Mama. Good night, Dada.